Dear Pilipinas, it's a special feeling to be home again, to walk through the places I've only heard through stories, to see old memories through a new lens. And I wonder, what would it have been like if I grew up here? This would have been my home, the food I'd eat, the town where I'd make many childhood memories. I'd probably be good at Tagalog by now, and I'd still be known as Ivan, not Yancy. While you were cleaning the house, you gave me a box of old photos to look through. Years of memories I've never seen, before you were my mom, and of me as a baby. You were glowing. You have a smile that lit up every room you were in, and I got my smile from you. But I also got your work ethic, your expressiveness, and your temper. Looking at these pictures, I see people I'll never meet, relationships and friendships that fizzled out due to time, and now I understand you more, Mama. I understand myself better because I'm here, because I'm home. I thought I was resilient because of what I've experienced, but that's only a part of it. Really, I'm resilient because of the people who came before me. They chose to love, even when living meant surviving. Their choices, their actions, their love. I am a result of everything that's happened. I didn't get to choose what was put on me, but I am responsible for how I live my life. Everything I do, they are a part of me. I represent them. And to be alive is another chance to love others. Kahit na ako ay magpapaalam, nagpapasalamat ako sa mga memorya na ginawa at naranasan ko dito. Nagpapasalamat ako sa mga taong nakilala ko, sa mga lugar na papasyalan ko, at sa mga bagay na aking natutunan. Kasi kahit na makalimutan ng aking isip ang maliit ng bagay, sigurado ako na ang puso ko kailanman hindi makakalimot. Mahal na mahal kita, Pilipinas. I'll be back. I promise.